Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to your last love read for the year. So let's see Aquarius, how you're feeling, how your person is feeling and what action we can expect in this connection. And these are general collective readings. Aquarius will not resonate with all of you. Please know that. Take what works for you and leave the rest. Okay? So my angel spirit guides, please bless his reading for Aquarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life. Thank you. All right, Aquarius, let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Aquarius, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Aquarius, Five of Cups in reverse, King of Cups in reverse, Six of Cups, Judgment, Knight of Wands, Page of Cups, and on the other side, okay newbies, I'm setting down two sets of cards here, okay? One side will be for you, one side will be for your person, and in the center, I'm going to have your dialogue message cards, mutual energies, etc. If this is your reading, you'll know which side you resonate best with, right? So this is action for person A and action for person B. Bottom of my deck, I have the King of Pentacles, upright. This is a beautiful card. This is my favorite kind of guy. Somebody who takes charge, takes responsibility of a connection. Maybe that's what one of you want your person to be like, right? So let's see what's going to happen. So from what I'm feeling, there is a bit of imbalance in the connection. Maybe somebody was being a little emotionally manipulative, or now they are feeling a bit unloved because this Empress seems to be in reverse. I'm not talking to you. I'm upset with you. Maybe they broke this Empress's heart. Didn't offer emotional happiness. Okay, so what I'm going to do, Aquarius, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be first, and then we do the clarification. So Aquarius and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Aquarius and their person. Aquarius and their person spirit, they could say something to each other. Thank you. I'm going to take a few more Aquarius from another deck. And if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Okay. Aquarius and their person. All right, Aquarius, the first card here says, will you marry me? I'll always remember you. You are unforgettable. Soon I plan on returning, hoping it can work this time. Well, maybe somebody is thinking of coming back as the King of Pentacles and offering commitment after being the way they were. Maybe they never opened up in the past. You deserve to be loved. You are very special. I can't handle you not being in my life forever. For now, but not forever. Yeah, somebody wants to come out of this feeling of feeling, sad and lonely and guilt and regret and looking at the past. This should have been, could have been. Why did things fall apart? Somebody is taking action to come out of this feeling. Okay. I didn't really believe in marriage till I met you. Second reference to marriage here. Third, actually, I would say King of Pentacles. Well, first said, will you marry me? Second, and now somebody saying, I never believed in marriage till I met you. I would be honored to give you children. Wow, this is the fourth. All right, so somebody has commitment on their mind. Let's see what's happening here now. So let's start with our angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you today, Aquarius, as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. You found it. Okay. Aquarius, this is for you or your person. I don't know, but you found it. Maybe a bit late after all that conflict and heartbreak and, bad memories created, but well, you found it. Okay. So now, Spirit, tell me about person A. How are they feeling? What's the Five of Cups in reverse for them? Five of Cups in reverse. Five of Cups in reverse. Okay. One more. Why are they stressed out? Too many cards. Why are they stressed out, Spirit? Why can't they sleep at night? What are they worrying about? Oh, something came out in the open and broke hearts here. Maybe somebody said something, something got revealed here. Now somebody is really stressing about that. Maybe they broke person B's heart, I don't know. They may have said or done something in the past which they are realizing that's what's led to this broken hearts between the two of you, and they're now very worried because they want to come out of this guilt, this feeling that what did I do, or why things have not worked out between the two of us. King of Cups in reverse, Spirit. King of Cups in reverse is clarified, Aquarius, by the King of Cups in reverse. I have a feeling this person is feeling the loss of love. Normally, King of Cups in reverse is an emotionally manipulative person, someone who can't express their emotions clearly. Maybe they didn't in the past. But from what I'm feeling, this person is drowning in their sorrows right now, feeling, oh, I'm unlovable, nobody loves me anymore, because things have totally stagnated between the two of you, right? This is like a huge burden on them now. Huge burden. They don't want to lose person B. They want to come out of this feeling now. But, well, so what happened, person A? What happened in the recent past that you're feeling so much of regret, sorrow, overwhelm, unlove, feeling broken-hearted? Why are you feeling like that? Six of Cups in reverse. Well, this was a great friendship or partnership or whatever. Something came out in the open maybe, which led to some unpleasant memories now between the two of you. Maybe this Empress decided the person B could be the Empress, because the Empress is on their side as well, and in reverse, saying, hey, after the way you behaved with me, I don't think I really want you anymore. I don't see any growth, any fertility, any abundance with you. This could have been a already committed connection as well. Maybe you guys were married, maybe you were going, there were plans to be together, but something happened here where the Empress went in reverse. So, Judgment. One second. Judgment, Spirit. What happened in the recent past according to person A? Okay, something got found out. Oh, somebody got caught cheating, lying. Somebody got caught. Somebody maybe the Empress spied on them, found out, or I don't know. This is like somebody getting caught cheating and lying, and that's how the tower came down. So everything crashed and burnt here. So the Judgment. Okay, so maybe there was a chance to return to a happy place, I don't know. But the offer was not given. Or maybe in the recent past, somebody has had that realization that I do want a resurrection of this connection. I do want to return back. I want to put the Six of Cups, which has gone upside down. I want it back in the upright. I do want to return. I do want a restart of this connection, because now they're feeling horrible. This is feeling discontent, bored, lonely, sad. So how do you feel about the connection now, person A? Knight of Wands in reverse. One more. Well, they don't want to be a player anymore, that's for sure. They want to end the drama. They don't want to be, doing whatever they were doing which created the conflict. They do want to have victory with person B. In fact, they want to say, hey, let's have victory together. Can we start again? Can we have a fresh, brand new beginning? But the problem here is they're not sure how to offer it, or they feel that their apology will not be received. Maybe, because of their past non-action and non-investment into the connection, this new beginning will not be accepted. So they're feeling quite bad, quite disappointed. They feel, what a waste of, you know, so much time, effort. Why didn't I invest when the time was right? Now what do I do? Yes, this person is in deep thought and contemplation. Deep thought. They don't know even they don't even know where to begin to apologize. Okay, so right now they're in hermit mode, but let's see what action they will take in the future. But I will open that later. Let's go on to the other side and see how person B is doing. So person B, you have the Temperance in reverse. Why is that? Person B says there was too much imbalance. There was too much imbalance. I was always, in my head feeling I was the only one in the connection. It was just me and the swords and my stress and my tension, and I didn't know what was happening. All I felt was things were just not right. There was always imbalance is the best way. Yeah, they feel that person tricked them or was a magician in reverse, very calculating. They basically didn't do right by them, and they never came forward to offer any brand new beginning or speak to them or message to them to clear the air. And I think in time, things just kind of stagnated. Knight of Pentacles in reverse, no movement. They feel, person B says, my person is so stubborn. They're so stubborn that they didn't even message me to apologize to me. And I saw that. Person A doesn't know how to even begin to apologize now because of whatever's happened, right? But person B is saying, hey, they see it as stubbornness. They see it as their person being overtly controlling, my way or the highway, I'm the boss, I'm not going to be the first one to message. Well, so person B is saying, all right, I'd rather be by myself, take care of me, be single, abundant. I know I'm worth what I'm worth. I mean, they are showing up as an empress, even an empress in reverse, but still an empress. Empress in reverse is just somebody having very high value for themselves to say, this doesn't work for me, I don't want to grow with them anymore. But that doesn't take away from their empresshood. So person B is focusing on themselves. So what happened, person B, in the recent past that you've made such strong decisions for your life? Well, person B says they came in and broke my heart. They made promises and broke the promises. They behaved like a playboy. They never offered me any emotional happiness for the long term. Am I right, person B? What's the Knight of Cups? Yeah, I think person B decided to shut this chapter down or stagnate this connection and just kind of quit this back and forth, or even communication could have come to a halt. Something happened here which stopped communication between the two of you. Ten of Cups in reverse, Spirit. What happened? One more. Yes, person B says, I waste, they feel the same way. I wasted so much time, so much effort. I was really hoping that, things would come back into balance. I really wanted things to work out between the two of us, but they were so stubborn. They were so stubborn. They just didn't let me in. They never chose. They were always, their mind was, their heart was always in two different places. They never made a decision regarding us. And yes, that led to the Ten of Cups being in reverse. So how do you feel about the connection now, person B? Person B says, don't you see, I'm the Empress in reverse. I'm upset. They never offered me any commitment, nothing. Empress in reverse. Yes, Empress in reverse says, I know what I deserve. I deserve commitment. I'm totally clear about what I want. I want a committed, good partnership. Anyone who messes with my energy, I'm not willing to go for it. Am I right, Empress? Yeah, Empress says, I don't trust them anymore. I'm angry, I'm upset. I'm the Empress in reverse and now I'm the Queen of Swords in reverse. This is total distrust. and upset and anger. Because I think person B really did want to be in a committed connection with person A. So what's the clarity you have now, person B? Ace of Swords. Oh. Oh my God, why? Okay, so person B says they did not meet any of my emotional needs. None. I'm not even sure whether they love me, because they turned out to be very selfish, very self-centered. They refused to take action to make any of my wishes come true. So, well, my path is clear. I'm the Nine of Pentacles, the Empress, and I'm moving forward. Am I right? Oops. Okay. Kind of. Kind of. They are waiting to get clarity. They haven't really moved on, I think. They are going back and forth in their mind. Heart of Hearts person B also doesn't want this chapter to end. They don't want the chapter to end. In fact, they would like it if, there would be some clear communication or just clearing of the stress and tension between the two of you. They are looking for the truth. Basically, person B just wants to know the truth. Do they want to end this? I don't think so. The World card in reverse. Okay, so let's see what actions you guys will take. I'm going to take a separate deck for this one, Aquarius. And before I do that, I'm going to request you to hit that like button. It helps the YouTube videos to circulate, reach more people and newbies. When you do subscribe, don't forget to hit that notification bell, as it helps YouTube to notify you when new videos are released. Thank you. Alright, person A, what action will you take? Nine of Cups in the upright. Oh, that's a pleasure to see. So this is what person B has been complaining about, right? My 9 cups were upturned. They never offered me any wish fulfillment. Okay, so here the 9 cups are upright. Why is that? What action is that, person A? What's that action? 9 of Cups. Oh, well, they are sitting in the same energy. Like 5 of Cups here, and there was a 5 of Cups here as well. Both of you kind of looking back at the past and feeling a lot of sorrow and regret for the way things did not turn out, right? Person A has recognized this is my wish come true. They find person B really attracted. I think the attraction is still there. They look up at person B, and yes, they do want to work on this connection. They may be coming in to put in some work. Give them a little time, Aquarius, though. I don't know which side you're on. This person is in hermit mode right now. As I've seen in a lot of readings, one person has been pushed into spiritual prison to think about what you've done. Go to your room, is what Spirit is saying, and think about what you've done and what you need. This person is also very sad about the way things did not turn out. They do want to put in the work. They do see the person B as very attractive, beautiful, a go-getter. Their wish come true. Okay, I don't know whether they'll come by the end of this year, which is just a couple of days now, but they are in this. They are now recognizing what truly makes them happy. So, person B, what action will you take? The Moon card in reverse. Well, person B is only waiting for things to be revealed. Like, don't go around the bush. Just come and tell me. Just come and tell me the effing truth. That's all person B is saying. Moon in reverse. Why is that an action from your end? Oops. Too many, but this card flipped out on their side, which is the Ace of Cups. There is a lot of love here. So what's the action you're going to take, person B? What's the action? Okay. Okay. So person B says, I'm going to be holding back for a little while. I do love them. That goes without, please tell them I do love them. but till they don't come forward with the truth, Knight of Swords, I want them to come towards me and tell me the truth. Till then, I'm going to hold back. I'm going to hold back even though I do love them. All person B wants is the truth and nothing else. The love is there. It fell right out, right? The Ace of Cups is here. They do, let's see. Let's give this King of Pentacles the mic, Aquarius. Let's see what they want to say to us. Come on, King of Pentacles. What would you like to say to us? Or to your person? King of Pentacles. Mic is with you. What do you want to say? King of Pentacles. King of Pentacles, say something. Okay. They want a brand new beginning. King of Pentacles says, I want to take that risk. I want a brand new beginning. I want to return. I want to return. This is my person. I want to go back to them. All I'm doing is thinking of them, fantasizing about them. So I'm in hermit mode right now, wondering how. I'm wondering how now to come back to my person. So, well, if you're on the other side, give them some time. I would say let them go through their hermit mode and figure it out. Okay? Till then, keep person B. You're doing good. You're in the Nine of Pentacles energy. Take care of yourself. And there's no need to compromise. Love is there. The love is there. That much I can promise you. And Sabri's wishes will come true very soon. The Star card. That's all I have for you, Aquarius. Till next time then. Love and light. Next year then. Have a beautiful, beautiful, happy new year. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.